channel, I told you guys I will be making another video. If you guys saw my last video, the last 15 minutes of my video, I'm wearing the same thing because I just filmed that. But today's video, I will tell you guys my favorite Amazon favorites. I've been buying on Amazon like non-stop, starting when the holidays started. It's crazy. It's crazy. Prime. When I started Prime, I just won't stop buying. It's so bad. It's really bad. But I want to show you guys my Amazon favorites. All of the things that I bought are literally my favorites. I either use it every day. It's just so useful. It's so pretty. So I cannot wait to share that with you guys. Let's get started on the video. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 Amazon favorites. So let's get started. Number 1 is, you guys know I've been obsessed with plants. Oh, hold on. And they are very alive. Nobody died. Everybody is growing. Everybody is healthy. Everybody is doing very well. I think I'm gonna do a plant video next time, but I'm keeping them alive. It's because of this thing. I got this on Amazon. It is a moisture meter. It tells you, it tells you if it's dry, moist, or wet. I just water them when it says dry, but I will cover that on my next video. But this one has been my plant's lifesaver. Without this, I don't think my plants will still be alive, because before I tend to kill all my plants, but thank God, I guess I have the magic now. And then next is this one. You guys saw probably on my Instagram that I have a dotted journal. I love that too. I'm just lazy to get it, but I have a dotted journal. I love that dotted journal too. I bought it on Amazon, but then I love this because without this, my journal won't be organized or anything. With like my wedding planning, this is like my best friend because it organized everything. So this is such a great Amazon purchase. It has 18 colors, and it's not only one tip, it has double tips. So it has this where you can write, and then there's this one when it's the marker side. So the third favorite is this one, a frother. It is amazing. I do not drink coffee, but I do drink green tea latte, like green tea matcha, and sometimes hot chocolate. And this is literally so perfect to make a perfect froth. It's so awesome. It came with a battery, so that's really awesome. But really good. If you drink coffee and if you want like a homemade cappuccino or matcha, this one is this one. You guys are thinking like, what the hell is that, June? Like, what makes you like this? Well, if you fold clothes, Nikki loves this one too because he folds the laundry. This is a guide to fold a perfect shirt. So that's why we like it, because we're adults now and we had to fold our own clothes. This is what they use in a retail store, and I'm telling you, it makes folding so much faster and fun. You will love it. I think it's only $10. I'm not sure. I will link everything down below, all of my favorites. So if you guys would like to purchase it, you can just click the link. But this will be your best friend. You will look forward to do your laundry just to use this. I promise you will not regret buying this because this is amazing. Next is this. You guys are probably thinking like, what is this now, June? Well, you guys know, if you guys follow me on my Instagram, I love to bake. So this one is a perfect, this helps me decorate cakes. So it rolls. So when I do the icing, I can just like roll it instead of me going around or like pulling or twisting the whole cake. I can just, you know, glidely twist without a hassle. So this has been my favorite when I do bake and when I do a lot of decorating. So when I do a lot of cake decorating. So that's one of my favorites, Amazon favorites. And then next is this one. Okay, so this one I did not buy. My best friend Cheryl bought it for me for Christmas. I didn't use it yet, but I know I'm already gonna like love it, because the first thing that I fell in love about this is because with this thing, I could put this on the luggage, like on top of the luggage without like tilting to the side, without falling. It has a luggage compartment to just stick it in there. But I love this because it has so many pockets. Look at this. I'm not sure. I did post a video on my IGTV on how I pack. I pack very smart because I do travel. Well, not anymore. I haven't traveled since last year. But I'm a very good packer. So this one is perfect because it has so much compartments and it's lightweight. It's really light and it's pretty. And like I said, it's perfect for carry-ons. I can just like use this for a 2 nights, 3 nights vacation and I won't have trouble because it has this thing too where I can put on my shoulder. Next is this one. Like I said in my last video, I started working out again and a girl needs to tone down my waist. So I needed this. And I only use it for like, I only use it twice and it's already like, I mean, I didn't see any results yet, but it's really good because it doesn't make me feel like I'm suffocating, because I had this waist trainer before and it's like, girl, I can't even work out with that because I just can't breathe. But this one is not really a waist trainer. It's just helped me sweat more on my stomach, and I guess, you know, it helps me shape my waist better because I don't have any hourglass shape. So this one has been really good. So hopefully this will last long. But this one is on, it says Amazon choice and it has a really great review. So hopefully, you know, well, not hopefully, but I mean, I like it, so whatever. Yeah, that's that. And then next is this bag. I got this bag for, I think, I'm not even gonna say a price because I don't know, but I love this bag because I've been loving backpacks because it's so convenient and so easy to carry. But this one I like, has lots of pockets too, and it's very organized inside. Oh, here you go, that's my journal. This is the journal I was talking about. Yes, I love this journal. Oh, see, it just worked out very well. So yeah, this bag is amazing. It has compartments in there, like regular backpack compartments, but it has this compartment. It has, this compartment has a zipper, and there's another zipper compartment inside there. Yeah, this bag is just amazing. It's still new, so it's kind of still hard to like open and close, and you know, when you buy like new leather bags, it's kind of hard to open. You know what I mean? Like, it's a little more, it's in the sturdy side. So next, I think, oh no, it's not the last one. The second last is my key, not my key. Well, yeah, my keychain and wallet. Keychain / wallet. This is the only wallet I have so many compartments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many. 7. So many compartments. Nowadays, I don't really carry cash, so I don't need a big wallet. I just have a lot of cards. So this is perfect for me. You know, I just put it with my keys, as like I use it as my keychain and my wallet. So this is my car keys. This will not break my starter because I don't have to put it in my starter to turn on my car to drive. So I don't really need to worry about how heavy my keys are. So this has been amazing. And I had this for like almost, I think 6 months. And like, it's still on a great shape. Like no scratches, no thread is hanging. Everything is literally so, it's still like really sturdy and really good. So the last one is, I cannot get it and take it here because it's heavy, but I'm gonna show you guys. Let's go. I'm gonna take you guys on a tour. You see, guys? You see that lamp? That lamp, that's the lamp that I bought on Amazon. It is so awesome. It's very industrial look. It is perfect. I took one bulb out because it was too bright, and you just click it like that. There you go. It is so pretty. It's very, very industrial. It's our style, and we've been loving it. Nikki picked that actually, and it just goes so well with the theme of our like apartment. But yeah, so I'm going to end the video here because those are my Amazon favorites. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram. All the items, I will link it down below in the bio. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!